Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Subaru Legacy. First, ensure your seat and mirrors are properly adjusted for a clear view of your surroundings. Always buckle your seatbelt before you begin. To start, insert the key into the ignition and turn it, or press the engine start button if your model has one. Listen for the engine to smoothly come to life, indicating it's ready for operation. Next, let's cover the basic controls. The gear shifter typically has park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Use your right foot for both the accelerator and brake pedals, pressing gently. Practice using your turn signals well in advance of a turn. Also, know how to activate your headlights, especially in low light or adverse weather conditions for safety. Now for driving techniques. When accelerating, press the pedal gently to achieve a smooth start and maintain a consistent speed. For braking, apply steady pressure to the brake pedal, easing off as you come to a complete stop. Always maintain a safe following distance from the car ahead, such as a 3-second gap, to allow for reaction time. Finally, let's discuss parking and shutting down. When parking, choose a safe spot and use your mirrors to guide you. Once positioned, shift the gear selector into park and firmly engage the parking brake for security. Turn off the engine by turning the key or pressing the start button, then remove the key and exit your Subaru Legacy safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.